Hello folks, my name is Jen. I'm from Golden State Times. Welcome back to the newsroom, and today I have a breaking news update. So President Trump was suing Hillary Clinton, and it was going through the legal system until it got up to a judge that was either going to allow it to continue or to dismiss it. But it so happens, right, that a Bill Clinton nominated judge took up the case. Go figure. And that judge dismissed President Trump's lawsuit against Hillary, calling it a, quote, political manifesto. Now, there they go, using those code words again. They always use those words whenever it's Trump. It's either manifesto, rhetoric, misogyny, or whatever other of those stupid words that they use. But this time, they're using it as political manifesto. It says that the lawsuit accused Clinton and the FBI of conspiring regarding the Russia investigation against President Trump. Once again, this comes courtesy of GoldenStateTimes.com. Again, that's www.goldenstatetimes.com. And it says, a Bill Clinton appointed federal judge in Florida has dismissed President Trump's lawsuit against his 2016 presidential challenger, Hillary Clinton, that accused her of acting in concert with top FBI leadership to invent what became known as the Russia investigation. That is very, very true. U.S. District Judge Donald Middlebrooks seemingly mocked the lawsuit in his order of dismissal, calling the suit difficult to summarize in a concise and cohesive manner. And he said, quote, "It was certainly not presented that way." Why? Because he wanted to protect Hillary Clinton. He was appointed by her husband, Bill Clinton, which in reality, this judge should have recused himself from this case. But no, he went on. It was a conflict of interest, but he didn't care, and he dismissed the case. It says that President Trump had argued that the Russia probe was prolonged and exacerbated by the presence of a small faction of Clinton loyalists who were well positioned within the Department of Justice, a group that included defendants James Comey, Andrew McCabe, Peter Strzok, Lisa Page, Kevin Clinesmith, and Bruce Orr. The judge said that the lawsuit was rife with glaring problems, claiming that they were, quote, not warranted under existing law, and legal theories that lacked factual support. That is all false. He just wanted to protect Hillary Clinton. That was it. At the end of the day, that's all it is. The order by that leftist Bill Clinton judge said, quote, "At its core, the problem with plaintiff's amended complaint is that the plaintiff is not attempting to seek redress for any legal harm. Instead, he is seeking to flaunt a 200-page political manifesto outlining his grievances against those that have opposed him. And this court is not the appropriate forum." So that is the lie that he said in that dismissal. President Trump's attorney, Aliana Habba, said in a statement following the dismissal, quote, "We vehemently disagree with the opinion issued by the court today. Not only is it rife with erroneous applications of the law, it disregards the numerous independent governmental investigations which substantiate our claim that the defendants conspired to falsely implicate our client and undermine the 2016 presidential election." Now, YouTube, I said 2016, 2016, has nothing to do with the new one. So don't get at me with that stupid crap. Habba said Trump's legal team would immediately move to appeal that decision, and they have to. They have to, because it's a conflict of interest. How can you put A judge that was appointed by the plaintiff's husband. The plaintiff's husband was the one that appointed that judge, and then now is dismissing a lawsuit against that person's wife. That judge needed to recuse himself from that decision, and he did not. Very, very unethical. It says President Trump earlier tried to move the lawsuit to a different judge, which is very true. That's what you were supposed to do, in the Southern District of Florida, but was unsuccessful. Go figure, right? They want to protect Hillary Clinton. That judge, Aileen Cannon, is the same Trump-appointed judge who this week granted Trump's motion for a special master to review the Justice Department's seizure of documents from Mar-a-Lago, from his Mar-a-Lago estate. Special counsel Robert Mueller's probe, completed in 2019, concluded that the Russian interference in the 2016 election was blah, 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 and blah, 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 because it was not true. And the investigation led to 7 guilty pleas with 5 jail sentences, which nobody is in jail because of it, mostly on charges of lying to investigators. But no charges were ever brought against Trump himself because nothing of that existed. And the only reason that those people that they're talking about, the 5 jail sentences, were carried through was because they said, "What color is my underwear?" And they said blue. No, sorry, it's red. There you go. 1 year of probation. That's all it was. It was all hearsay BS that they had to charge somebody. And they so happened to get 5 stupid people that pleaded guilty because they quote unquote lied, even though it has nothing to do with the whole premise of the investigation. They just lied about something so extremely stupid that they actually got probation for it. That's all it was. But the whole Russia hoax thing that they did with Hillary Clinton was just that, a hoax. It was all 100% fake. But President Trump will appeal. President Trump will win that appeal. And then here we go again. Who knows how many more years we have to wait until something actually happens. But let us know, what do you guys think about this whole situation in the comment section below? Is Florida protecting Hillary Clinton by not allowing President Trump to get another judge to oversee that case? That they appointed that case to a Bill Clinton appointed judge that was obviously going to protect the former president's wife, the one that appointed him. Let us know in the comment section below. If you guys found this report informative, make sure you click the thumbs up button. President Trump is not going to stop here. And he shouldn't stop there, because that judge should have recused himself, but he did not. Very unethical. But let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. Click the thumbs up button, share this video on social media, subscribe if you are new, and make sure that you guys join us here at Golden State Times for full coverage of everything that is going on in politics, breaking news, scoops, and everything else in between. Thank you so much, folks, for joining us. Have a blessed rest of your day. God bless every single one of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Don't forget to visit our website, goldenstatetimes.com. Again, that's www.goldenstatetimes.com. Thank you so much, folks. Peace.